Hey everyone, this is Alex Sierra, CFP from Cetera Investors, and today I'm going to be going through step 3 of my step-by-step guide towards building generational wealth, which is eliminating bad debt. Debt by itself isn't inherently bad, but it often gets a horrible rap. In reality, most people have at least some form of debt, and it can sometimes be a necessary part of their financial progress. The key is understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt. Step 3 of my guide to building generational wealth focuses on paying off the bad debt. Bad debt typically includes high interest debts, so debts with high rates. The process involves identifying bad debt based off of the lender and the interest rate. Typically, debt with an interest rate above approximately 7% is considered bad debt. To help prioritize your debt repayments, use the law of interest rates, which tells us to put our money towards the accounts with the highest rates first. While not all debt is necessarily harmful, managing bad debt is a significant step in building generational wealth, as it prevents interest from compounding and helps foster a sense of financial freedom. I encourage a positive mindset towards debt. Debt is a common part of the financial journey and manageable with a plan in place. My aim as I create this step-by-step guide is to guide someone starting from zero toward the path of generational wealth. I'll be releasing a blog post on our website and a YouTube video for each step. Eventually, I'll publish the guide into a book. This again was a breakdown of step 3, which is eliminating bad debt. Stay tuned for a video on each of the 10 steps, and please let me know your thoughts and feedback. Thank you.